welcome back to Hair Problems and No Edges. If you are new here, please stop what you're doing, take a few moments, go down to the bottom, hit that subscribe button, and while you're there, go ahead and hit that bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload new content. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I revamped this Blue Magic Originals with Indian hemp. I'll be showing you all the products that I'll be using to create this beautiful hair food that's going to keep your hair strong, rejuvenated, restore the hair follicles, and it's going to promote growth. So if this is something that you guys are ready to see, then we're going to go over to the video. The first thing you'll see over there is me telling you all the benefits of all the products we will be using. So if you guys are ready, then let's go. All right, so first up is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, which is going to help strengthen the hair, replenish, rejuvenate, and nourish the hair. Then we have just black castor oil that's going to help prevent hair breakage. Next up, we have the Cantu Shea Butter that's going to deeply moisturize the hair to help protect our hair from damage. Peppermint oil is going to stimulate the hair follicles, promote healthy blood flow to the scalp. Vitamin E oil prevents hair loss, improves health of the scalp, increases shine, and reduces breakage. Grapeseed oil helps to restore hair's natural sheen and vitality. Rosemary oil is known to restore the follicles and is just as effective as minoxidil and Rogaine. Blue Magic is infused with herbal Indian hemp leaves that's going to condition the hair and scalp. Last but not least, we have biotin that prevents hair loss and it also strengthens weak nails and hair. Okay, y'all, now that we've learned all the benefits for each ingredient in this product, let's go ahead and mix them all together. Because Blue Magic is our base for our product, let's go ahead and pop this in the microwave for 2 minutes, and we're going to get this Blue Magic grease broken down to a liquid. And then we're going to be able to pour it out of the container into our mixing bowl, and then we'll add all the other ingredients as follows. All right, so right now I'm removing the grease from the microwave. Please be careful, y'all. Y'all know anything coming out of the microwave is going to be very hot. So be careful not to burn yourselves. So as you can see, it's sliding out the container. It is ready. So let's take it over to our bowl and get this thing mixed up. All right, guys. So as you can see, I'm dumping out the Blue Magic grease into our mixing bowl. Yes, this is a sherbet mixing bowl because that's like the only thing that I had that I really did not eat out of. So, you know, you got to use what you got on hand. But also, guys, let me know if y'all liked voiceovers or do you want me to actually talk while I'm recording a video? Or you just don't want no talking at all. Let me know if y'all just want to hear music in the background and just watch the video. Yeah, just let me know. Because sometimes it can be redundant, repeating the same stuff over and over and over. Y'all know how that is. But just drop me a comment down in the comment section below and just let me know what y'all want me to do. And girl, I will oblige. All right, so I gave my best estimate and measurements for each product. As you can see, I'm putting some of these measurements up on the screen. I'm really just eyeballing it, going with the flow, trying to see what works best for my hair. I'm just trying to see what products I want to put in here and how much of each. That way my hair can get the best benefits from each. So y'all, you know, map out your own measurements and do what y'all need to do for your hair. This is just what I'm doing for mine. If y'all want to use more of one particular product, then baby girl, do you. Use as much as you want to. This is just what I'm using. Now that we have gotten everything mixed up, we are going to transfer everything back into our grease container. Once you get everything put back in the container, you want to tap on the bottom of the container, and that is just going to remove all the air bubbles that's inside the container. And there you have it. You just tap on the bottom, like I said, remove all the air pockets, put your top on, and once we have done this, we are going to take this over to our freezer, and we're going to put it in the freezer because when I melted it down with the microwave and I transformed it from a solid to a liquid, I want to transform it back from a liquid back into a solid. And we're just going to leave this product in our freezer for, like I say, about an hour. And an hour has been up. We're just going to take this out. And yeah, let's take it over to my bathroom, y'all, and let's see what this product is hitting for. All right, y'all, it might be a little loud, but this is how the grease set up once we put it back in the freezer. It's now a solid. It's not going anywhere. So I'm just going to test it out and see what we got. From all the oils and conditioner and everything we put in here, it smells amazing. I put a little bit on the back of my hand. As you can see, it's very oily. It's going to leave your hair soft and shiny. It's going to leave it smooth and strong. You're going to receive so many benefits from just this grease alone. Just because I have some on this top right here, I'm just going to put some in my hair. Now my hair is already done, but you know, having it out in these elements, having it in this humidity can, you know, dry it out. So I'm not combing my coils out, but I am just parting the hair just in random sections, and I'm just adding some of this grease. Now I like it kind of cool, fresh out of the freezer. It really feels really good against my scalp. Like, I think I'm gonna start keeping my grease in the freezer from here on out, because I'm liking this cool, creamy feel that this is giving my scalp. This feels amazing. And so we are doing whatever we can do to make sure our hair does not dry out on us. We're trying to keep it moisturized at all times. We're trying to reap some of the benefits from these concoctions and different hair growth serums we are whipping up. And yeah, we're just gonna keep flourishing, y'all. Keep this channel growing. I want to thank everybody for allowing this channel to reach 900 subscribers. We are 100 subscribers away, so make sure, if you are new to this video and you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so at this time. Help this channel keep growing. This channel benefits women with alopecia, hair problems, bald edges, and just problem areas. We're trying to find styles that's going to make you feel good. So subscribe. You know, I will come up with some more content, and I will see you guys again in my next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching.